So Gemini with its Imagen 4 model is one of a few image models that are able to produce a native 2K pictures, but unfortunately, not many people know how to actually get the 2K resolution. So they usually, when they download a picture from Gemini, they will right click and then save image as, and then save that to their computer. That's the standard way to save any image from the internet, but unfortunately, you're not getting a 2K resolution. So here, if I open the image, you will see that this is actually at 1000 pixels. It is not 2K, so the quality is not as great as it's supposed to be. So how do you download the 2K version of this image? Well, if you look closely, you have to open the image first, and then you have to download the image by clicking on this button. If you're not using this button, then it is not going to be downloading the 2K version of the picture, and you'll see that the 2K version is much bigger. It takes a bit longer to download, and of course it takes more space on your computer, but the quality would be insanely better than the regular version. So every time you are creating a picture using Gemini, you have to click the download button. Do not use the save image as button on your browser. You have to use the download button. So this is the one that has 2K resolution. As you can see, it is much bigger. If I click the zoom in, you'll see that it is actually much bigger than my computer screen. So that's the benefit of using the 2K image. It is much more detailed and you can display it on a bigger screen. So I hope you find this video to be useful, and if you want to see more tutorials about the Gemini AI, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.